Has your Vax Power suddenly started smelling of burning, not picking up, and the brush roll not spinning? Well, you need a new belt, and we are going to fit one in this video. Yes, hello my vacuum cleaner chums, how are you today? Yes, this Vax has, I think, popped its belt and we need to investigate. That brush roll certainly seems to be spinning by hand rather more than it should. And upright cleaners come apart in different ways. This is a Vax U84-M1-BE, but I'd be fairly confident in saying that a lot of the Vax cleaners come apart this way. If there's no visible way of taking the hood off, then you should do it from underneath. And we start by popping these wheels up and out. And we then remove all of the screws that we can find in the base plate. Then once we have all the screws out, 2 are missing in this machine, we need to take out the little screw that holds the height control knob in. Then we can flip the machine over. Look, the height control knob has already fallen off. Take the hose off and lift the hood off of the machine. Here we have our belt, which has snapped very cleanly, so we shall get our new belt. Let's just take the brush roll out and we'll get rid of these bits of fluff and put the utterly tiny little seal back in on the side. It's melted a little bit of the housing, but there's not a lot we can do about that. Hopefully it was just a bad belt and it's, crikey, not the brush roll. Let's pop it back in. Gotta push one end in first, and then drop the other. And it's a handed job, so it'll only go in one way. Ooh, there we go. Into there. Now comes the bit that I'm going to struggle. Okay, don't do it like that. On the wrong angle here, I'm going to struggle. Line up. Oh my goodness. It's very fiddly, but the idea is easy. Let's... Gosh, that's tight. Give it a good few spins. Check it doesn't go off to the side. That one's staying fairly central. No, now it's staying off the edge. It went very close, but it's staying off the edge, so we shall pop the hood back into place. We shall then put the height control knob back on, hold on to it, spin the machine around, pop our screw onto our screwdriver. Throw your screwdriver at your tripod and do up the height control knob screw. Do up the 2 either side of it, and then just check that, yep, the height control works as intended. Now we'll just pull the other screws back in. Then we snap the wheels back into place and we're done and ready to test out this thing. And the best way to test it out is to give everything a flipping good vacuum. another machine that doesn't like this run. Let's change it to a deeper pile. This will be a good test because we can slab it into low pile, and if this carpet tears up the belt, let me know it wasn't to me. I say that's fine, but horrible to push. In fact, even the high setting, that's doing alright. Wow, it's picking a lot of fibres up. Very aggressive brushroll this. Let's move these threads. Wow, I'm actually a little bit impressed with that. It's that aggressive brush roll. Look at all the fluff it's raked out of that carpet. Fantastic. So there we go. That belt, in case you're interested and have what is a Vax U84-M1-BE, was a non-clutch belt for a Dyson DC-014-7-14-33. Regular old cheap belt. You could buy the actual belts for this machine, but Dyson non-clutch belts fit everything. So there we go. I hope this helps you out. I hope you found it enjoyable. Please comment, like, subscribe. Write hateful comments, it does not bother me. And I shall thank you very much for watching. And see you soon, hopefully with a nicer vacuum cleaner. Bye bye.